This morning we've got Quest here. He's a young thoroughbred off the track. I'm coming to a jumping barn now and going to transition to become a little hunter or jumper. We had him shod 5 weeks ago and he had zero hoof here from before. He just ripped his shoes right off at 5 weeks. Tore the foot completely apart on his right front and his left hind. Kept the shoe on his left front and his right hind, but they just don't look very good. There's very little hoof wall there. Lots of flare, distortion to the hoof capsule. We're kind of caught in a catch-22. We take away all the flare that needs to be taken. He's left with almost no hoof to stand on. And it's getting pretty dry here in California right now, so the ground that he's on just wears the darn crap out of his feet. So what we decided to do, instead of trying to shoe him again, is we built some artificial hoof, like a prosthetic, using Vettec Superfast. We've started on the right front here, you can see, and I'm about to start on the left. We dressed the foot, trimmed it, dressed it, cleaned it up, and put a foam board on the bottom here. And I'll start, see if he'll stand. No, he's not going to stand for me. What we're going to do is we'll start on the outside and build an outside hoof, and then go underneath and build length to the foot using the Superfast, and so he'll have a new foot when we're done. Okay, this one is dried. We've built a foot, now we're going to rasp down and kind of mold our foot like we kind of want it. Superfast acts virtually just like natural hoof wall. Only it does clog a rasp. See the two halves of the foot. I'll go ahead and move around and start on the other side. Stuff. It's maybe almost 80 degrees right now. Starting to warm up here in the springtime. The Superfast will set real fast. Very fast set time. So you got to be quick and have a good idea what you want to do before you start. Apply the product. It's fast meaning it's set up in the tube in 30 seconds easily. You gotta be constantly squeezing stuff out, or it'll set up on you in the tube. Weight bearing in about 1.5 minutes this time of year. When it's cold, below 50 degrees, it takes a lot longer to set. A few minutes, 4 or 5 minutes or so. Still, it's pretty darn fast. And rather than just apply a bead to the bottom of the foot, we ran it almost all the way to the cornet band, and it's to form a cup to hold this thing on the foot. Oops.
There's a nail.
Okay, we finished up with Quest, and what we've done now, we built a rim like a shoe of Superfast around the foot to elevate the foot off the ground. Built it all the way up the hoof wall to help hold it on. And then we filled the inside of it here with Equipack. Reason I wanted to fill it with Equipack, couple reasons. The pen that he's in is very dry. He's a very active horse. In the 5 weeks that he had his shoes on, he wore the shoes out in 5 weeks. So I can only imagine what he's going to do to a barefoot or this epoxy in the same amount of time. So I filled this with Equipack to help bear some of his weight and hopefully help keep this product on as long as possible. Maybe distribute the load over a broader area. And also help keep sand and gook from getting under this rim right here and prying the Superfast off the foot. I'm real happy how it turned out. He's got a little bit larger foot now than he used to. See it on the ground. Two very normal, oops, stand still, two very normal looking feet.